Pennsylvania, the Keystone State, a place that holds a special spot in the heart of America. Yeah, most folks know it as the home of the Liberty Bell, those mouth-watering Philly cheesesteaks, and maybe even Punxsutawney Phil, the famous groundhog who predicts the weather every February. But let me tell you, there's a whole lot more to this place than meets the eye. Beyond the well-known landmarks and popular attractions lies a world waiting to be discovered. We're talking hidden waterfalls that cascade down like nature's own secret, rolling hills that stretch as far as the eye can see, and quaint towns with more character than a whole season of Deadliest Catch. Pennsylvania is like that old pair of work boots you got tucked away in the back of the closet. They might not be the flashiest, but they're damn comfortable, built to last, and they've got stories to tell. They might not be the flashiest, but they're damn comfortable, built to last, and they've got stories to tell. Stories of hard work, resilience, and a deep connection to the land. So come on, let's lace them up and get a little dirty exploring the hidden gems of Pennsylvania. From hiking trails that wind through dense woods to secret spots only the locals know about. Trust me, this ain't your typical tourist trap tour. We're going off the beaten path, seeking out the unconventional and the extraordinary. We're going off the beaten path, digging into the heart and soul of what makes Pennsylvania truly special. It's the people, the history, and the hidden scenic spots that make this state a treasure trove of experiences. Welcome to Destination Diaries. This is Zubair. Why are there not more people talking about Pennsylvania's hidden gems? First up, let's talk about those hidden gems, those places you won't find on a postcard but will stick with you long after you've left. These are the spots that make Pennsylvania truly unique and unforgettable. Ever heard of Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania? This little town nestled in the Pocono Mountains is like something out of a storybook. With its charming streets and welcoming atmosphere, it's a place where history and natural beauty come together. Victorian architecture, a rushing river, and surrounded by mountains? Sign me up. The town's picturesque setting makes it perfect for a weekend getaway or a day trip to explore its unique shops and eateries. Then there's the Kinzua Bridge Skywalk. Now, this place used to be a railroad bridge, but a tornado knocked it down a few years back. Instead of letting it go to waste, they transformed it into something extraordinary. Did they give up? Heck no, they turned it into a skywalk. And now you can walk right out over the edge of the valley. Talk about a view. The breathtaking scenery from up there is something you won't want to miss. And for you history buffs out there, you gotta check out the ghost town of Centralia. It's a place where the past and present collide in the most unexpected way. This whole town's been burning underground for decades because of a coal mine fire. The smoke rising from the ground and the eerie atmosphere make it a fascinating, albeit haunting, destination. It's eerie, it's fascinating, and it's a reminder that nature always has the last word. As you walk through the abandoned streets, you'll feel the weight of history and the power of nature reclaiming its space. Now let's talk about the scenery. Pennsylvania's got rolling farmlands, dense forests, and rivers that'll make you want to grab a fishing pole. You can hike the Appalachian Trail, kayak down the Delaware River, or just find a quiet spot to camp under the stars. One place you gotta see is Ohiopyle State Park. Waterfalls, whitewater rapids, hiking trails. This place has it all. It's like an adventure playground for nature lovers. And don't even get me started on the fall foliage. When those leaves start changing, Pennsylvania turns into a kaleidoscope of colors. It's the kind of beauty that'll stop you dead in your tracks. Section 4, Whispers of the Past. History and heritage in Pennsylvania's soul. Pennsylvania's got history coming out of its ears. From the bustling streets of Philadelphia to the serene countryside, every inch of this state is steeped in stories. This is where the Declaration of Independence was signed, for crying out loud. The echoes of that monumental moment still resonate today. You can visit Independence Hall in Philadelphia, walk the Gettysburg battlefield, and feel the weight of history beneath your feet. Or explore the homes of founding fathers, where the very ideas of freedom and democracy were born and nurtured. But it's not just about big names and famous battles. The charm of Pennsylvania lies in its small towns and rural landscapes. Every corner of Pennsylvania has a story to tell, from the rolling hills to the quaint villages. You can visit old steel mills, where the Industrial Revolution roared to life and shaped the nation. Learn about the coal mining industry, which powered the growth of America and left an indelible mark on the landscape. Or explore the lives of the Pennsylvania Dutch, whose traditions and way of life offer a unique glimpse into the past. It's this blend of big moments and everyday life that makes Pennsylvania's history so darn compelling. From grand events to the daily lives of its people, the state's heritage is a rich tapestry waiting to be discovered. Section 5, Unearthing Culinary Treasures, A Taste of Pennsylvania. Now all this exploring is bound to work up an appetite. And let me tell you, Pennsylvania knows how to eat. We're talking Philly cheesesteaks, obviously, but also scrapple, shoofly pie, and whoopie pies. And don't forget about the pierogies. Those little pockets of dough filled with potatoes, cheese, or sauerkraut are a Pennsylvania staple. But the real culinary treasures are often found in the small towns and mom-and-pop restaurants. So, pull up a chair, order a plate of something you can't pronounce, and get ready to taste the real Pennsylvania. Section 6, Pennsylvania, your adventure awaits. So, there you have it. Pennsylvania, more than just a rest stop on the way to somewhere else. It's a place to get your hands dirty, to discover hidden gems, and to experience the beauty of nature and the richness of history. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and explore. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.